Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make a kick and ban command. So I've already made this before and I literally spent like an hour trying to explain everything, and I recorded it and I edited it and everything. And then I realized that there was actually an error and it did not work to a certain extent, so here I am redoing it and wasting my time yet again because my computer has decided not to work. So first things first, go to commands and create a new and call it kick.js. Okay, and let's just start it because if this doesn't work, then I just want to end this quickly. So exports dot run, and I'm still gonna explain it and everything because I feel like everyone should have the chance to learn from something like this. You shouldn't just be copying down code. You should be able to understand what it's doing. This thing is pretty straightforward. I'm just doing the command handler, and then this is where our actual code is going to go. So first we're going to be checking to see if the person who is trying to ban another user has actual permission to do that. So if and then this exclamation point is a boolean, and it's basically saying if this is false, then do whatever I say after that. So if message.member, so whoever wrote the message dot has permission, and then we're gonna be doing kick members. Then we're going to return a reply message.reply, and we're gonna say you do not have permission to use this command. Okay, so now we're going to create our user variable. So this is what we're going to be using to identify who we're going to kick or ban, for example. So first we're going to message. So basically the user is, we want the user to be whoever was mentioned first. So this is basically what this code is doing right here. Message.mentions.users.first. And you can also get the ID. I've tried this. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but most of the time it does. But yeah, so this is for the ID. So these two pipes right here, so they're right above the enter key, and you just hold shift and you press the, so this is the normal key, and you just hold shift and you should get the pipes, and this means or. So message.guild.member, so you can do both of these. .cache, .get, and we're going to get the arg0. So that's pretty straightforward as well. And now we're going to check if a user was actually mentioned. So if there's no user, then let's return and reply message.reply and say you did not mention a user for me to punish. Okay, so that's that. Okay, and now we're gonna get the member. And this member is not going to be defined yet because we're going to make it either null or having an actual assignment, because it's sort of hard to explain, but like basically we're going to try something, right? And if it doesn't work, then we're going to catch the error and just assign it as null. And if it does work, then we're going to assign it something else. So let's just do the null part first. Try, and then member is equal to await. So to use this await, and you have this async right here. So if you don't have the async, then this will not work. Message.guild, and then .members, .fetch, and then our user. So that's going to be our member. So now we're going to catch the error, and we're going to assign it as null if there is an error. Is equal to null. Okay. So now let's do if member. Okay, so this is the alternate version of it. We're going to open up some brackets, and then this is basically checking to see if this person who wrote the message and is being targeted has a certain permission. So basically, we're making it so that a mod cannot ban a fellow mod. So if the member dot has permission manage messages, because this would be like an average moderator. Um, just do like the lowest one that your moderator has. It doesn't really matter, but just the lowest one that your moderators have, so that that no one else has. So for example, you can't do like view channels or something, because then you just couldn't kick or ban anyone. So now let's make sure that we reply and let them know that you cannot kick a fellow staff member. Okay, so now that we've done that, we're going to get our reason from the person. So if you've seen any other videos, theirs is a lot more simple, but I like putting detail into these and basically making confirmation messages requiring certain permissions and requiring, yeah, so just permissions, I guess. I don't know what I was getting at there. But, our reason, we're going to splice. So what the splice does is it basically, so say we have a message, right? So this is just a quick class. So say we have a string. Okay, I'm gonna define a string. Var string is equal to, and then our string is equal to hello there. So basically, if we were to slice the string, then after that, what would happen is if we put the number 1 here, so basically it starts at 0, okay? So this would be so the first one, the H, would be a 0. So if we put a 1 here, and then we sliced it, I'm pretty sure it's string.slice, and then 1, and it would basically just return this hello there instead of without the H. So that's what slice does. Just to get you guys understanding that, because I remember I was super frustrated because I couldn't understand what anyone was doing. So I just want to make sure that no one has any problems with that. And then join. So join basically joins it with whatever. So say if I wanted to join this with and then basically each of these would be joined with and then. So for now it's just a space, because then otherwise if there was no space, then we wouldn't have any spaces in our output. So now making sure that if there's no reason, that we're going to notify the message author that they need to specify a reason for a kick. So let's make them specify it. Please make sure to specify a reason for me to punish this user. So once we've done that, so we have gotten our reason, we've acquired our reason, so now we are going to actually log this. So if you don't want to log this, then you can skip a bit, but I would recommend logging it so that whenever something is done, for example, like if you're using this bot and you have like Carlbot logging or Plasma logging, they won't log this. I'm pretty sure they won't. I think it's only they will log it if you use their commands. So I would recommend logging this yourself. So we're basically going to define a channel that we want it to be sent in. So var channel is equal to message.guild.channels and then .cache, yep, .find. And now we're going to find our channel name. And my channel name is equal to logs. I'm pretty sure I literally just called it logs. Yeah, LOGS. Okay. So I'm just gonna input that there. So now once you've done that, we can create our embed. So I'm just gonna call this log. Var log is equal to new discord dot. Okay, why does it keep doing that? That's so annoying. Oh, wait, why does it keep doing this? I need like if anyone knows how to disable like where it like auto corrects whatever you type. That would be really useful. There we go. Discord.message embed. Okay, and now we're actually going to construct it. So first what we're going to do is we're going to set a color, okay? To make this look a bit better. So I already have one picked out. You can go to HTML color picker or just go to color picker, search it in your Google search bar. Don't forget to put in a 0 and an X before you put the color. And my color, I'm pretty sure is green. So I'm just gonna, I think I wrote that down here. Yep. Okay, right there. Perfect. So now we have our color. I'm gonna set the description to okay. Don't forget to put your backticks because we're gonna be defining a few things right now. So first of all, if you want, we can actually use an emoji in this. I'm probably gonna do a separate episode on this because I'm not really sure, but I kind of want more views. I mean, you didn't hear that, but yeah. So we're gonna make a new emoji, anyways. So we're gonna call this a verify. So because we're gonna be using it to verify our things and make it look a bit better. So message.guild emojis.cache. Okay, and we're going to find our emoji that we want. Okay, and basically emoji, we're going to emoji.name. We're going to find the emoji name and you're going to set it equal to whatever your name is. So for mine, I believe it is yes. Sorry for my laggy computer. Yes, yeah, it's literally just called yes. So I'm pretty sure bots can use animated emojis because this has worked for me. So yeah, if this doesn't work, then it might be because you don't have Nitro or I have no idea. But yeah. Okay, so anyways, so now I'm gonna do the verify first, actually, because I want it to be at the beginning of my description. So, and then we are going to do user has been banned by, and always make sure to do your message author so that we know who banned them, who is banned, and also the reasons for, and then we're going to put our reason here. Alright, let's put this, and let's do a couple of formatting things to make it a little bit more clear. Reason. Okay, let's even these out. Perfect. Okay. So now we've done that, we're gonna channel.send our log. Channel.send, so this channel is coming from right here where we define the channel, and that would be logs, so it's gonna send it in logs. So channel.send, and we are going to send the name of it, which would be log. Okay, so once we've done that, we can actually use this for another one. So let's just copy this, and we're just going to change a few things. Okay, so let's copy this. Let's rename it to user log. So we're basically going to be sending this to the user to let them know that they've been kicked. Oh, kicked, not banned. This happened to me the last time I recorded as well. Cannot kick. Okay, I think the rest of it is good. Okay, yeah, let's change this to kicked as well. And now since this is going to be shown to the user, let's do you have been banned in the server. Feels bad, man. Here is the reason, so that, not banned. I literally just told myself not to do it and I still did it. Here's the reason, so that you do not repeat the same mistake. So for the ban, obviously we're not going to do that because they can't join back. We can do something like you can appeal your ban or something. But yeah. And let's actually put that and format it a bit. Okay, so now instead of channel.send, here's where the tricky part comes in. Basically, a lot of people have their DMs off, right? So right now we are making sure that if we cannot send this embed, it's called user log, we are basically going to we're basically going to catch the error so that our bot does not crash. So if that does not work, we're going to catch this error. Let me move something really quick because it's in the way. Catch our error, and we are going to console warn that error. Perfect. So now we can yet again log this in the channel. Except first, let's actually kick this member because yeah, let's do that. Member dot kick, and then once we've successfully kicked them, then we can send a confirmation message in the actual channel. So now we are going to create a new one, and I'm gonna oops, where was that thing that I just copied and pasted? Let's copy and paste this once again. Channel.send instead of that, it's message.channel.send. Okay, and then let's paste that. Let's call it. You don't actually have to change any of these names, by the way. But I'm just doing it so it's a bit more organized. So var, I'm gonna do confer. It's sort of a weird name, but I don't know. Okay, confer, and then message.channel. Message.channel.send, because otherwise it would be sending in logs, and we just want it to be in the channel that the person was kicked in. So, and then we're going to change this to confer. Nice. Okay. So, yep, has been. Oh, I actually made a typo right here. Author. Let me change all of these to author. Any other ones? Let me see. Yeah, okay. I think we're good. So we've done that. We don't actually have to do the reason for this one because this is for public. This is just for people to see. Just kind of like showing off. It's not really necessary because you have it in DMs, in logs, and everything. But yeah, and now we're actually going to delete the original message that the moderator did, because that's what you see in a lot of servers. Once they've done that, then it actually deletes the message. I'm actually going to be doing. I might be doing something on how to delete this part of it, like after a certain amount of time. Except I'm not gonna implement it like directly into this code. I'm gonna make a custom code, and I'm going to do it with that. Okay, so now we're gonna make our ban. Our ban is essentially the exact same thing, except we're just gonna change a few things. Right? So, and then instead of kick members, let's do ban members. For me to punish, you cannot ban a fellow member. Let me see. Has been banned. Feels you have been kicking in the server. What the heck? I just noticed that you have been kicked from this. That sounds so weird. You have been kicking in the server. Okay, you have been kicking in the server. Oh my gosh. You have been banned from the server, and you can just put what the server name is if it's like a private bot. If it's a public bot, I might do something on how to define the server name soon. But and instead of here's the reason, I'm just gonna tell them that they can appeal their ban if they want. You can appeal the ban by messaging a staff member. Okay, and now I think we just have to change a few more things. If you see anything that I didn't change, and you know, like for example, if it says kicked, just change it to banned, because I might not fix everything. Okay, so now instead of member.kick reason, we're actually going to be doing message.guild, okay, dot members, and then dot ban, and then our user that we wanted to ban, okay? So, yeah, so once we've done that, we can actually save this. Last time it didn't work. If this doesn't work, I'm still gonna upload it because I know that it works. Okay, so last time I didn't copy this word down for word, but this time I actually did. So, and I literally just tested this code out in my other server, so it should work. Okay, this is taking a while. Okay, let's try this. See, this was what I was getting, even though he's verified, but yeah, doesn't really make much sense, does it? You know, I'm gonna ban the same guy, I guess, my friend. So, well, okay, so first let's test if anything else works. So ban, yeah, you did not mention, and then at Jiggy, and then you should say that you did not mention a reason. Yep. And then let's actually just try fully banning him. Hello there, I will invite you back. Do not worry, my friend. Please work. Oh, looks like it has. Yep, Jiggy has been banned by Joey Bean. As you can see, it actually deleted the message. So, yeah. And then we can also check in our logs. And also sent him a DM as well. Yeah, so overall looks pretty cool. I don't know why there's a space there. Let me just fix that real quick because that's giving me OCD. So, for some reason, we got an error even though it did work. Don't mind that, I guess. Anyways, where was that log one? Let me change that. Log has been banned for a reason. There's not space in the original one, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm guessing the kick command also worked because we basically copied it down word for word, except just changed a couple of the words. So, yeah, if you did enjoy, like, subscribe. I'm gonna be posting some more tutorials very soon, and I guess this is goodbye. If you have any questions, join my support server, Joey's Joke, and I'll try and help you out. Leave a comment down below also if you don't want to join my Discord server, because I'm not really sure why, but yeah, that's always an option. So, guess this is goodbye, and yes, goodbye.